This unit demonstrates how to view and clear the trip logs in the low voltage tester. First of all, we need to connect to the unit, and on the main waveform screen, choose the Miscellaneous Settings tab. On the Miscellaneous Settings tab, you will see the temperature of the unit, the battery input at the rear of the unit, the ground offset target voltage, the battery current, the ground offset current, the voltage at the front's battery output, and the front of the unit's ground offset voltage. To simulate our trip, I'm going to increase the input voltage carefully to the maximum voltage the unit can handle, which will cause an overvoltage trip. The maximum voltage on this unit is 22.6 volts. We're at around 20 volts, coming up to the trip now. While the voltage is too high, you will hear the unit continually giving warnings. As we reduce the voltage down to normal range, the voltage continues to indicate a slow warning out of the audible indicator, and also the front trip LED will flash together with the noise. To view the trip, we need to click on the Trip Status tab under Miscellaneous Settings. This tab has the last record of which trips had occurred. You need to refresh the trip log to see the latest set of trips. Here you can see V sup too high, which means the supply voltage was too high, and that occurred 1349 seconds after power up. Once you've analysed why the unit may have tripped and protected against it happening again, you can then reset the buzzer, which will stop the noise, and erase the trip log, which will get rid of the number of trips that it is displaying. The primary reason for trips are listed here. Supply voltage too high, ground offset power has exceeded the rated power, the main output power has exceeded the rate of the amount of power, or both the ground offset and main output power, joint power, has been exceeded, or the temperature of the heatsink has risen to a point where damage could occur to the drivers if allowed to get any hotter. These trips will be shown by the LED under that particular column lighting up, and the time that it occurred will be listed on the left hand side. That's the end of this demonstration.